Hey guys, I guess this is gonna be my first vlog. It is October 2nd. Let's see, Friday, yeah, Friday. And so these are just a lot of things I've been wanting to put up for sale. And let's see. So this design I've been working on um in the background for a while, and it's called Backyard Borbs because I really like birds a lot lately. um, so this is like a bag I got from Shutterfly, and I got several of these. Um, I'll have to put up on FA like the number of each I got, but I got this design, and this is how it looks on the back. Oh yeah, so these are like reusable shopping bags. And then I made this male cardinal one. It's the same on the back. And then I made a female cardinal one also. And then next up, now the phone cases I don't mind selling. I'm not sure about these notebooks because I really like them, to be honest. So I made these Jolteon and Flareon designs, and they got like candy, cake, and a fruit. So lemon for the Jolt and orange for the Flareon. I don't remember which phone model these are for. I'll have to check again. And then I'll put that up. But neither of these are a phone I have. I think I have the iPhone 6S right now. These are for newer phones. I think this is the newest one. Newest released iPhone anyway. So yeah. And these are the notebooks. I just wanted to note though that these do have some like Shutterfly branding on them still. I don't really like that, but what can you do? But Shutterfly had like a deal on they had like a coupon deal. So I was like, oh, might as well make use of it. And I love notebooks, to be honest. Like if anyone had these for sale or something like this with a cute design on them, that's what I'd be eyeing up probably the most. And then I have stickers. I had these up at AC last time I was at Anthrocon. These are by Sticker Mule. So I think they're pretty high quality stickers. So I got this Crossbox and the Bryson, and then this Red Fox. And then I had these up at AC last year as well, of course. These Evolution buttons. And then Litten and the Lycanroc. And then I have the Aggretsuko buttons. And then I still have a lot of Dockies for sale. Especially I think of like the Sarge Doberman. And then I have Prince also. And while I'm at it, I guess I'll might as well give a little room tour, I suppose, or what I've been up to. Actually, I noticed I forgot about these. These are sticker sheets I've been working on, and these will be for sale also. This one I think needs some work though before I put it up for sale, because I don't know, the white part is it's a bit too close to the edge for me. But this one I did last night, just kind of quickly to test run it. And then I've been working on this for a long time, for probably like 2 months or something. I just really love breakfast food. So I wanted to make some delicious stickers. And then I have Backyard Borbs sticker sheet. And these are all 4 by 6 inches, if you're wondering. Like the sticker sheet, that is. And then I have fox stickers. So these are like these ones, except they're smaller and they're on a sticker sheet rather than just stand alone. So yeah, a bit smaller. And these are on some shiny vinyl paper. And this is supposed to be some really high quality paper, apparently, or expensive. But yeah, and honestly, this is what this Cricut, maybe you've seen it before. This thing was such a freaking pain to get to work, but I finally did get it to work recently, so thank God, because I was about to sell it, to be honest. Oh yeah, I was going to talk about the incubator. So if you saw my FA journal, you'd know that I have 5 Caternix coils now. And one of them is laying an egg every day, and I really love coil. I think they're so cute. And I've been trying to incubate eggs and maybe get some babies. So that's what this is here for. And this has been on, it's been on here for about 3 days. So yeah, I think, well, that might be it for now. Yeah, I think that'll be it for now, so I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.